Hi everyone, it has been a hot minute since I have vlogged. Today has been a pretty long day. I have been filming content since around like 12ish. It's now 2. I'm still not done. I'm gonna film like the try on portions and stuff like that later on tonight, but I do need to clean my room. My room is a mess, and then I also need to edit the stuff as well. I'm gonna show you on my bed and you're gonna see what all I have to try on later on tonight. This is like everything I have to try on later on tonight. There's also stuff under here, but yeah, that's like everything so far. There has just been so much going on. For one, I had to move my brother to school, which was very exciting and also sad because wow, he's growing up. And I'm also so proud of him. And then also I got sick. Girl, I got sick and I don't know what I had. I'm just gonna say a sinus infection, but honestly it might have been worse than that because I was out for about like a week and a half. So that was going on, so that took me out. And then also just stuff going on, like being busy with work, like my actual job. That was a lot. And I'm also supposed to be prepping for a vacation for next week. We're supposed to be going to my favorite city, ATL, so I'm supposed to be going there next week. I think I might vlog it, we'll see. Also, I lost the battle and the war against the freaking Ariana Grande tickets. Currently 9, just joined the queue. I am spot 36,519. We'll see how this goes. However, on Wednesday, I'm on the second day, I'm 29,004. So we'll see how this really goes. Just hoping we can get some tickets. So yeah, I'm gonna just have it popped up like this. 21,000 for concerts is the capacity for State Farm Arena. I just don't. Okay, here's the thing. Huge Ariana fan, been a fan of her since maybe Victorious era. I just don't understand with the magnitude of how big Ariana Grande is, as well as how long it's been since we've been without a tour. Why not do stadiums? Like, she can sell out a stadium. Girly pop, what happened? I don't get it. Why didn't we get stadiums instead of arenas? Like, the arenas is not it. We just jumped to 1. Let's see how these tickets are. Are there still tickets left? Please let there be tickets left. We are in. What the hell? It just kicked me out of Wednesday's show. That just pissed me completely off. Why is it so hard to get tickets now? 84,000 people ahead of me. Pissed off is an understatement. That is a true understatement. I waited an hour for this. All I can say is mad is such an understatement right now. I am highly irked at the moment. First off, I got kicked out of the Wednesday show, which doesn't make sense. All of a sudden, there's a new show. Like, honestly, girl, honestly, Ari, your team is pissing me off. You knew this was going to sell out. Why did you only do 2 stops? 2 stops, and then on top of that, they're opening. They're not even stadiums. Like, girl, you could have got the Mercedes Stadium. It's literally next door. It's next door. I'm confused. Yeah, that just pissed me off. That was literally insane. First off, how long that pre-sale sign up was wild. That was extremely too long, especially for this to be an arena tour, and there were limited dates and limited venues. So yeah, that was a big flop. I didn't get any tickets, sadly. However, I'm just going to use this as motivation to get the BTS tickets, because BTS is supposed to be going on tour next year. So we're just going to use that fail and that flop for that. And also, I'm debating if I want to see PH1. He's supposed to be coming in November. I kind of want to see him because I didn't get to see him last time. And his recent album that he dropped has been amazing. I love it. Highly recommend. Also, we all know Junie, the love of my life. He's on tour in Europe right now for his Knoll tour. And I'm just waiting because like if that man goes on tour in the States, of course I want to go. Love him. So yeah, but now I just need to clean up everything. It is extremely messy right now and I don't like being a mess. Like I have boxes from packages and stuff like that that I need to get rid of. I have this big old H&M box that's like right here. I've never gotten a package that big in an H&M box before. Also, don't mind the background. I have to clean everything. But yeah, so let's get to cleaning and let's figure out something to eat because I am hungry. Yeah, hope you all enjoy and welcome to my channel. If I didn't introduce myself, my name is Lonni, so nice to have you here. This is mostly everything that I have to clean up and put away. Yeah, so I'm just gonna film a little montage and just have some music playing in the background. So yeah, do I want this card up or do I want it down? I'm gonna have it down. I really want to listen to Junie's album. Junie Knoll, if you have not listened to it, highly recommend. It's a great album. Love it. I definitely want to make a think piece about it, so I might. These shoes, got these on sale. They're Michael Kors. They are the Lynn Ballet espadrilles, the oval net mesh. They're in this optic white color and they're so cute. They're originally $95. I got them for $33.25. They look so cute and there's a funny story about them. My mom also bought the same pair, but we went shopping together because she just wanted to go look at the like the shoe section for their sales and stuff like that. And I had just grabbed these. I thought they were cute. My mom was like, those look ugly. I tried them on. They're very pretty. My mom was like, those look pretty. And she got a pair. I'm a trendsetter. But yeah, got these. I think these are so cute. I still can wear these for the fall time. I don't care about American fall weather, like no white after Labor Day. I will be wearing white. All right, the last things I have to do is vacuum my room and also get rid of these boxes. You can't see them. I'm about to show you the pile of stuff that I need to put in the trash. It's insane. So here we go. All of this got to go. I need to clear this side out. So that's like everything I have left besides vacuuming. So I'm about to vacuum really quickly and then break down these boxes. So yeah. Are now officially done. I did keep one box. I kept the humongous H&M box. I don't understand why they sent me this. Well, actually no, I do. I'm about to break down these boxes that I have out here and fix me something to eat. I really hope I have some pizza rolls left. I really hope I do. But yeah, it doesn't even look like I washed my hair. I washed my hair last night. I need a perm. That's what it is. I really need a perm, but I don't know how to perm my hair. I cleaned up my shoes as best as I can over here. They're still a bit messy, but honestly, I feel like once I film the try-on clips for the haul, I think it'll be easier to plop this stuff away. But yeah, also I love how glowy my skin is. One of my favorite glowy products is this is the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. I love this stuff so much. You literally just shake it. I pump 1 and 2 on my skin and I love it. So very nice. I am obsessed with Merit Beauty.